Hi guys, this is the look that I'm rocking tonight for Valentine's. It's a brown smoky eye with a red lip, and it's the first time I'm actually doing a cut crease. So we're going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the shade Aiden. Then we're going to set the primer with the black opal loose powder in the shade D. Transition color, we're going to go with Brick from the Morphe M3502 palette, and we're just going to blend it in above the crease, of course, because I have hooded eyes. Then we're going to go into the crease with the shade Rich, which is a very dark brown. It's going to be our crease color or shade, depending on where you're from. Make sure you thoroughly blend. The key to good makeup is to actually blend. And don't worry if it doesn't look good the first time or the second time. The more you continue to practice, the better you become. Personally, I've seen a very great change in how I do my makeup, because with every video that I post, I go back and I watch it and I see the difference. It's incredible. Just keep blending and don't let anybody tell you that you cannot wear makeup. So I'm going to go in with Muddy from the Morphe palette, and I'm just going to trace out where I want to cut my crease. Mud is quite a dark shade, so go easy on the shade. Just take a little bit at a time. Don't do what I did. And of course, after tracing it out, make sure to blend it out so that everything transitions into each other without leaving any harsh lines. So taking a smaller brush, I'm just going to try and blend. Using the LA Pro Curve Concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm going to just map out where I'm going to cut the crease. Doing the same on the other side. So I'm going to clean the lid area of my eye with the eye makeup remover before I applied the concealer. Now I'm just applying the same concealer, LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, all over my eyelid. And before the concealer dries up, I'm going to go in the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to also use a shade called Fawn, and I'm going to just apply it all over my lid, there we have it. It's a brown, a dark brown, not very dark, a chocolatey brown. And I'm going to try and just blend it out using the Morphe M3502 brush. Here I'm taking the shade Whiz from the palette and I'm just blending it into the corner of my eye. Sorry for the lighting, my camera just stopped recording and I realized it's a little bit too late. Anyway, using the brush, I'm going to use short wiping movements to blend the shade Whiz and create kind of a wing with the eyeshadow. We're not blending into the middle of the lid, we're just blending the outer part. So using an earbud that has been dipped in some makeup remover, I'm just going to clean the part where I feel like I've gone a little bit too high and it's looking a little bit too harsh. And I'm just gonna continue blending. So we are using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Deep Cool and the HD concealer for NYX in the shade Nutmeg. Ta-da! So here we have the complete look and I'm ready to go for my Valentine's dinner. So I wish you guys a wonderful Valentine's Day. See you in the next one.